Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your HAIRSTYLE from my channel HAIRSTYLE. Friends, today in this video is all about Takealot haul. So guys, if you are interested in this video, you can proceed further, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, the very first product which I got from Takealot is from Mellerware kettle, cordless kettle. So it is of 2200 watt and it is of 1.8 liter, boil dry protection, and it is of glass body. This is very important guys, it has boil dry protection. Sometimes we just forgot to off the switch, so boil dry protection is good. So here is my kettle, here is the down part, and here you have a user manual, and you will get 3 years warranty for this, and I paid almost 390 rands for this. And here is the warranty, it has 3 years warranty, and as you can see it has a clean glass finish. So guys, it has LED lighting. Whenever switch on you can see LED light, and it has 360-degree rotation. You just can rotate like this, and it has on and off switch and boil dry protection too, as I told you before. To the main part, whether it's worth to buy or not, definitely it's worth to buy, because the outer body and all, it is very strengthened, and the quality wise it's very good, and the look wise is excellent. So I think definitely it's worth to buy. Guys, the next product which I got is this basket. I can just tell it has a picnic basket. You can put your hot food, or you can put any cold beverages, such that it keeps hot or cold, because it is insulated. And you will get a lot of colors, but I prefer always black, because even it is dirty it will be not visible. That's the reason. So it is of good quality. You can keep almost, I think, 4 to 5 boxes and 10 to 12 beverages. So, and here you can also see handles, and also this is foldable. The best part is this is foldable. You can just slide this like this and like this, and just press like this. Now it is folded, and it is very convenient too. You can just carry whenever you need, or you can just keep it in the car. And it has zip here, and the quality of the product is good. I paid 119 rands, and definitely it's worth to buy, and it is waterproof too. Okay guys, the next product which I got from Takealot is this paste, Colgate Triple Action. It is 2 of 100 ml. Since paste was got over, I thought of buying this, and as you all know, only after 500 rands you'll get free delivery. So I thought of make it as free delivery, and I purchased this. So I already used this Triple Action Colgate one, and it is good, so I bought it again. It is of 2 piece. Got this product for 35 rands. So guys, the next product which I got from Takealot is this Mentos chocolate, and I literally love this. It has 3 flavors, like it has cherry flavor, it has strawberry flavor, and it has grape flavor. Whenever you are traveling, if you get bored, you can just put it into mouth and you can refresh. So this product also got over, and I want to make it as free delivery, so I got this also guys.
Friends, these are also from the takealot.com, and some more unboxing videos too. So let me open one by one. So guys, very first one is this large drying dish rack. Since it was essential to me, I thought of ordering from Takealot. So let me open this. You can see there is an 20 plates holder. The size and all, it was very suitable to my kitchen, and it's from the Addis. So this is also from Addis. So it has got wheels also. You can just pull. It is very convenient, and it has a holder also. It was also essential, so I bought all together. So next one is this dustbin. So let me open this. You can see this, you can use as dustbin and bucket also. It is 2 in 1. If you close the cap. It is like dustbin. If you open it, there is a holder. You can use it as bucket also. I got this for 140 rand. Apart from this, there is a small torch too, which is free for this product. You can see it's very small and it's like key holder. You can use this as torch. You can just keep in your car or somewhere else because it's tiny but it is powerful too. This is of one sort of package. Let me open with another sort of package. Here I have Colgate Total 12, which I gave of rand 49. So coming to my next package, let me unbox this first. So very first thing which I got is this hangers. The hangers is of good quality and it is pack of 10. I gave this for 69 rands. You can check it is of 10. And let me open with my another package. This is an power section for an bathroom. You can use this for bathroom and even for the kitchen also. And I got it for 150 rands. Coming to my next package, the first one is this chia seeds. For this chia seeds, I gave 79 rands and it is of good quality. It is of 200 grams. And the next thing is this saffron. I got this for 80 rands. It is also of good quality. Coming to my next package, it's a Labello Men Active Lip Balm. So I gave it 39 rands. Coming to my next package again, let me open this. There is a promotion here. The first thing I have is this hot chocolate from Nestle. I got this for 89 rands. Coming to my next box, again I have Mentos. I got this for 35 rands. I have Colgate Triple Action, again 2 pack of 2, and I got this for 49 rands. The next thing is this Duck Deep Clean of 25 rands.